Don't renovate, rebuild. Increase the value of your property today. You can save the stamp duty by simply rebuilding your dream on your existing block of land. Use equity to add value to your home. Avoid renovating compromises. Simply choose the home design of your future. Choose a brand new home in a location you already know you love. We follow strict recycling and waste processes. Get those new home feelings and brighten up your day. Become energy efficient. Upgrade to sustainable and energy efficient designs without the cost of retrofitting. Embark on a new home. Choose a design that suits your lifestyle. Come visit the New Home Hub at the Logan Hyperdome to plan and design your new home.